Welcome to springlib.
We're asked to do exercise 16, assuming the container has a lid that is made from the same material as the sides. So recall that in exercise 16 of this section,
the world is about to hit reset. Get it? This is a video game. Sketch comedy show.
we are given an open box container with a volume of 10, the length that's twice its width, and the cost is 10 per square meter of the base and 6 per square meter of the sides. And we were asked to find the minimum cost of the box.
I'm saying comedy's always been. Yeah.
So once again, we'll let W be the width of the base, and 2W is the length of the base.
I mean, I don't even know how to qualify pornography as good.
H is the height of the box,
That depends on a ton of different.
and the volume, which we're told is 10, this is also equal to the base width times base length, so W times 2W times the height H, which is 2W squared H. This is in cubic meters. Now we'll want to solve the volume for H. So we have H is equal to 10 over 2W squared. Which of course is 5 over W squared. The cost of the base, well, this is going to be 10, so it's $10 per square foot, times the area of the base, which is 2W times W, which is 20W squared. And the cost of the sides and the lid,
And she was getting fucked standing. Yeah. And I love the idea of Adam beating off some exercise. But apparently she got 8.
is the cost per square meter, which is 6 times the area of two sides with base W. So this is 2 times W times H plus area of two sides with base 2W. So this is plus 2 times 2W times H plus the area of the lid, which is the same as the area of the base, 2W times W. And this simplifies to, see, we have 2WH plus 4WH plus 2W squared. So we have 6 times 6 is 36 WH plus 12 W squared. And therefore the total cost, C, this is the cost of the base plus the cost of sides and lid, which is 36 WH plus 32 W squared. Now we'll substitute H from our volume equation, so that this is actually 36W times 5 over W squared plus 32W squared. And so as a function of W, C is equal to 36 times 5, which is 180 over W plus 32 W squared. Therefore, the derivative of C with respect to W This is negative 180 over W squared plus 64W. To find the critical values, we set this equal to 0.
This is not illegal. We're discussing the song. It's for the show.
So we have 64W equals 180 over W squared.
Yeah, this song. Oh, that's not his song?
Solving for W, we have W cubed equals 45 over 16. And therefore, W is equal to the cube root of 45 over 16, which is approximately 1.412, I guess.
Maybe I don't be good. Is Rick Astley British? I think.
Now, we can find the second derivative, C double prime of W. This is, let's see, positive 360 over W cubed plus 64. And it follows that C double prime of 45 over 16 to the 1/3 is automatically positive. So, by the second derivative test,
There was a weird resurgence of when I started comedy.
it follows that we have an absolute, C has an absolute minimum at W equals 45/16 to the 1/3. And the minimum cost is C of 45/16 to the 1/3. You plug this in, this is approximately 191.28, and this is in dollars.